Otherwise than that, there is nothing that has changed on the car. But how sweet are these headlights? The headlights are fantastic. They were $305. That is the regular price. They said there's only a couple left in stock. Also, just wanted to let you guys know, if you're planning on doing these headlights on your own car, then know that all the leveler stuff, if you have the leveler system in your car, that all swaps over on your old headlights. So you take your old headlights apart, swap those over onto these, and you're good to go there. So I'm gonna head to a buddy's house real quick and we'll show you guys the headlights on the way. All right, next up guys, I wanna find a set of taillights that look good on this car but aren't really ridiculously pricey. Like, I don't wanna spend $1,000 on 2 taillights, you know what I mean? Find me a set that's like 500 or lower that looks good. I don't want it to look highly modified. I want it to look new OEM or really good OEM. So let me know down in the comments below what you guys can find or what you guys recommend. Also, remember guys, I'm looking at buying like every STI ever made. So subscribe down below because we keep getting more, the more I look at getting new cars. So, however, as always, we will see you in the next one and make sure to stay freaking mint.
Can't trust no fuck nigga. Dropped up pink lace in the bag. She ain't never gon' fuck for the